Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed what are the linear equations and what is the degree of the linear equation and what is the definition of simple equation. So let us recall once again. Linear equation in one variable means an equation contains only one variable with a degree 1 is called linear equation in variable 1. Okay, simple equation means the linear equation contains only one variable is called simple equation. There are many linear equations, but the linear equation in only one variable is called simple equation. Now let us see how to solve simple equations when variable is only one side. Solving simple equations having the variables on one side. So for solving linear equations, we use these transposing rules. What are the transposing rules? When we transpose terms from LHS to RHS, from one side to another side. For example, one term is transposes from left hand side to right hand side, then plus quantity becomes minus quantity. Minus quantity becomes plus quantity. And into multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. Okay, generally you have idea. Plus minus opposite, that you think like that. So plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Division becomes multiplication becomes division. Division becomes multiplication. Now let us take one problem for solving linear equations when variable is one side. So that is first exercise, exercise 2.1. See, solve the following simple equations. Okay. I will explain you 3 or 4 problems. See, second one, 4p equal to minus 42. 14p. 14p equal to minus 42. So, what is the variable here? P. So, solving means we find out p value. So, to find p value, the p term is on LHS. Now, to find p, here only p should be there. So, what is the multiple of p? 14. 14 into p. So, here transpose 14 right hand side. So, transposing 14 to right hand side, here 14 is multiplying, that transposes to right side, that becomes division. Minus 42 by 14. Transpose 14 to RHS. Okay. So, 14 ones are 14. 14 threes are 42. So, what is the p value? Minus 3 by 1. That is minus 3. Okay. Now, let us see another problem. Three x plus 1 equal to 16. Okay? 3x plus 1 equal to 16. Find the solution. Solution means find the value of x. So here, to find the x value, LHS contains 2 terms, 3x and 1. So first, other than x terms. What are the other than x terms? 3x is x term. What is another term? Plus 1. Transpose plus 1 to RHS. So by transposing plus 1 to RHS, plus quantity becomes minus quantity. So 16 minus 1. Now 3x equal to 16 minus 1 is 15. Now we find out x value. To find x value, here 3. 3 into x. 3 is multiplying. So transpose 3 also to RHS. So that is here 3 multiplying, that transposes to RHS divides 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. That is 5 by 1. 5 by 1 value 5. Okay? Like that we have to solve this first exercise problems. I will explain 2 more problems. Let us see another 2 problems. See here, 13 minus 6n equal to 7. 13 minus 6n equal to 7. So what is that? 13 minus 6n equal to 7. So here, what is the variable? N. So for solving we find out n value. So other than in term. What is the other than in term? 13 minus 6n. So other than first another term of other than in term is 13. So transpose 13 to RHS. Transpose 13 to RHS. So that is minus 6n equal 7. 13 transpose to RHS minus 13. Okay. So now minus 6n equal to 7 minus 13. What is 7 minus 13 value? Here see, we are subtracting. So subtracting bigger number from smaller number. So we can get minus. For these two numbers, which is bigger, 7 or 13? 13 bigger. For 13 minus is there. So write minus. Now subtract 7 from 13. So 13 minus 7, 6. Now transpose minus 6 to RHS. We find in value. So transpose minus 6 to RHS. So that is n equal to minus 6 by minus 6. So minus minus cancel, 6 ones are 6 ones are. That is n equal to 1 by 1. What is n value? 1. Okay. Now let us say another one. 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. Okay. So 8x plus 5 by 2. So this is x term, this is constant. So take this term to right hand side. So 8x equal to 13 minus plus quantity becomes minus quantity minus 5 by 2. So now here 13 minus 5 by 2. So take the LCM. What is the LCM? 13 means 13 by 1. 1 comma 2 LCM is 2. So here is 1. Denominator 1. How can you get 2? By multiplying 2 for the numerator and denominator. So 13 2s are 26. 2 1s are 2. Minus 5. So that is 8x equal to 26 minus 5. What is 26 minus 5? 21. 21 by 2. Now again transpose 8 to RHS. So that is x equal to 21. This here 8 is multiplying. This transpose to right hand side, that divides. Already in the denominator 2 is there. So write 2 into 8. That is x value 21 by 16. Okay. So like that you can solve every problem, but you have to remember what terms are transposes to one side to another side. Plus quantity becomes minus, minus quantity becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes into multiplication. Okay. See, 4x minus 5 by 3 equal to 9. 4x minus 5 by 3. So, first transpose, this is x term, we find x value. Another one is minus 5 by 3. Transpose minus 5 by 3 to the RHS. 4x equal to 9 plus 5 by 3. So 9 means we can write 9 by 1. So 4x equal here, take LCM. What is the LCM? 1 comma 3 LCM is 3. So here 1 is there. How can you get 3? By multiplying numerator and denominator. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3. Plus 5. So that is 4x equal to 27 plus 5. 32 by 3. Okay. Now transpose 4 to the right side. Here 4 is multiplying. It transposes to right hand side, it divides. So that is x equal to 32 by 3 into 4. So 4 ones are 4 8s. So that is 8 by 3 into 1, 3. So what is the solution? Solution of this linear equation, simple equation is x equal to 8 by 3. Solution of this linear equation is x equal to 21 by 16. Okay, this you can verify also. How can you verify? Here we got 8 by 3. Substitute 8 by 3 in the LHS. Okay, LHS 4x minus 5 by 3. So 4 into x, 8 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 4 8s are 32 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So 3 3 LCM 3, 32 minus 5. So that is 32 minus 5 is 27 by 3. You can cancel. 3 1s are 3 9s are. 9 by 1 is 9. So we got this is equal to RHS. RHS LHS are equal. Like this you can verify the given answer is correct or not. Okay. So complete the exercise 2.1 problems today. Everyone must do these problems. You can solve easily. Just remember, plus quantity becomes minus quantity becomes plus, into becomes division becomes into. Okay. Thank you, students.